Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. It was a wonderful day on Island of Sodor. Tom was enjoying his time. Oh wow, this really nice day, said Tom. Hope nothing doesn't go wrong. But suddenly, I made it through this single. Follow me. Thomas was very surprised. Who are you? Said Thomas. I'm Sonic. Sonic's the name. Speed's my game, said Sonic. Anyways, as you say, speed's the game, what do you like to do? Well, I like to eat chili dogs. I like to run in adventures, even though Amy, she likes me. Someone got a crush, said Thomas. Anyway, anyway, said Thomas, do you want to race? Sure, said Sonic. To see who the fastest blue. Yeah, we can do that, said Thomas. But on they need someone to tell them to let them go. Percy, said Tom. What is it, Thomas? Said Percy. We need you to be the referee to tell us to go, cause we're about to do a race. Me and what's your name again? Sonic. Yeah, Sonic. Okay. Let me just tell you to go. I gotta. Here I come. Just gotta go. Well, you ready to race? Yep. All right. Trains and hedgehogs. Start your running. On your mark. Get set. Go. Thomas takes the lead off. As Sonic speeds up with him, he go past Thomas. Tom was having trouble trying to stay on the track. And here was their final lap. Sonic made it across. And then Thomas was right behind him. Good job, said Percy. And the winner is, drum rolls please. Never mind. Is Sonic the Hedgehog. You know, you're good too, Thomas. So, anyways, thanks, Sonic. What do you want to do now? I don't know, really. Well, Wanna go get some ice cream? Sure. Come on, let's go. So him and Thomas had became friends, and was to go have fun. Yep, now that's what I call friends, said Percy. Dun 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 dun.